Morning everybody, Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Wednesday, April 16th. Well, we seem to be continuing with three themes here this week, and that continued in the overnight session. We're scoring new contract highs in the soybeans and the soy meal in the overnight trade, along with making new contract highs in the old crop, new crop spreads in those two markets. The lead theme going on in there is our demand pace for old crop beans in the U.S. Yesterday we got our NOPA crush number coming in a lot stronger than what the trade was estimating, so once again still using our bean supply, which is getting tighter and tighter. And that on the heels also of our export number earlier in the week, the trade thus trying to ration our bean supply. And once again, this is an avoidance of the fact that we have this external storylines going on with South America having a crop and selling their beans and their basis levels working lower to go and dissuade our bean usage, which is not happening, and or the Chinese story as far as them with their washouts and or their poor crushing margins and or their poor hog production margins, limiting their bean needs. The bean usage out of the U.S. is overriding those stories, so I guess the bottom line there is that before we can talk about the external forces giving the bean market pressure, we got to stop using and selling beans ourselves. So that's been one thing. The other two items has been the Black Sea tensions permeating our marketplace, more so for the corn and the wheat than for the soybeans. Who knows what direction that's going to go, but the on-again, off-again tensions kind of giving some support to the wheat market and to the corn market to a degree. Nothing really fresh in it overnight, other than the fact we did see a big blow up in the wheat market yesterday on some ideas that tensions were getting a little bit worse. But it seems like the open interest going down for the past 2 days is more or less shorts coming out of the wheat market, more so than people getting excited about the wheat and adding to new long positions. So we got that in conjunction with the bean demand, and then the final storyline throughout the week that seems to continue itself is the weather, that being for the winter wheat crop, trying to get its conditions improved and or trying to stem the rain cold for trying to get the corn planted a little bit more readily. Once again, no big shakes yet going on for the corn concern, but once again, the extended forecast is for a little bit better weather to come. So after the Easter holiday upcoming, if we find out that we're getting a little bit more rain in the west, in the winter wheat areas, and a little bit better weather for the corn plantings, calm down the Black Sea tensions, the rallies that we've seen this week may come under some pressure. But we're still not solving this bean demand problem, and that's forefront for our marketplace at this time. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.